If you need some advice or looking for an idea, just to get some tips, you can get that right here. This is Lori's life, yeah, this is Lori's life, yeah. Check out Lori's life, yeah, this is.
Welcome back, ladies, to the Grown with Miss Table. Ladies, it's your girl Lori. Hey, girl, hey, how y'all doing today? Guys, this is our August collab eyeshadow look. And y'all, we decided to use any palette that was made by Anastasia Beverly Hills or a dupe of that palette, or if you can find colors that dupe the colors in the palette. So that's what we did, and this is the look that I came up with, and I'm going to show you the palette that I use. Yes, I used the Subculture palette. I know y'all like, don't nobody like that palette? Well, I like this palette, so this is the palette I decided to use, and I wanted to show you guys that you can get a nice little bronzy everyday with a little hint of kind of look. So if you want to see how I got my look and all the ladies that participated and their looks, as well as what Anastasia Beverly Hills palettes they use or dupes, then I need you to keep on watching. All right, y'all, let's get into this. I use the Subculture palette, and I'm going in with the first color called Edge, and it's like a mustard color, and I'm going to use that as my transitional color. I wanted to use that because the look that I'm going for is more of a everyday natural look with a little bit of pop of to it, so it's something you could wear to work and after work, so that's why I picked this palette. But I'm just building that color with my BH Cosmetics brush, y'all. And as you can see, the colors are they're showing up pretty good. I have no problems with them. Now, the first lady we're going to talk about is none other than Creative Culinary. Y'all, she did a beautiful eye look. I am so impressed. Those colors are gorgeous. She used different palettes to dupe Anastasia Beverly Hills palettes. And so she used colors from Physicians, Revlon, e.l.f., Nia K, all different kind of LA colors to come up with that gorgeous look. And guys, if you don't know her, you need to go check her out because she does cooking, she does planning, scripture journals, DIYs, and of course, you know, she does makeup and like savings, like couponing and stuff like that. Her channel will be listed below, and girl, your look is fire. Thank you for participating. Now, the next thing I'm doing is going in with this color called New Wave. And I'm going to add that into the crease just to deepen it up some. And that's more of an orangey color. It got a yellow, basey orange color. So I just went in with that to deepen it up because I just wanted to add a little bit more depth. That's the only reason why I did it. Now, the next lady is none other than LaLa Bad, y'all. She used Retro Love by Bad Habits as a dupe for the Subculture palette. And guys, this is her everyday smoky eye look. And girl, she kills it every single time. Y'all, if you don't know her, she does all kinds of great videos, 1-minute reviews. She does makeup. She does food, cooking. She does videos with her husband. She does videos, they're doing vlogs now. I'm loving your vlogs, LaLa. And I truly, truly appreciate her. And guys, make sure you go check out her channel as well because, as again, it's going to be listed in the description box. So go check her out and show us love. Thank you, LaLa. You slayed it, girl. Yes, yes. Thank you. Now, the next thing I'm going to do is go in with this color called Fudge. And Fudge is a dark brownie color. And I'm going to use that to deepen my outer V. And I'm not sure what brush this is. This is one of the brushes I got from BoxyCharm. And that color I actually did have to work a little bit with. And I'm going to have to go in and build it up some more to get the color payoff that I wanted. But once I got it to the level that I wanted it to be at, it turned out really, really pretty. And you'll see I'm just kind of like tapping it in and then brushing it out. And it's real, real simple. Y'all, this is a simple, simple look. And I think it's an everyday, anybody can wear it. Now, oh my gosh, y'all. The Mind Catcher, y'all. Can you believe the Mind Catcher is doing this collab? I'm so appreciative. Y'all, you see that look, right? Y'all see the look. She used the Modern Renaissance and palette. And what she did was she used Primavera in her brow bone, Religare as a transitional color, Love Letters on her lid, and Vermeer and Primavera mixed together in the inner corners. And y'all, she does makeup, she does tutorials, she does Foundation Fridays. Her daughters have a channel, her husband have a channel. You guys, she's trying to hit her 50K. Make sure you go and show her some love. And if you're looking for a look, that's your girl right there. The girl is bad. Check her out. Now the next thing I'm doing is I found this little brow pencil thing by Maybelline, and I'm gonna use it just to do like a cut my crease out. But it's for your brows, but I figured that'll work. And then I went in a color called Adorn. That's my little pop, y'all. When I say I want a little pop, and it's not too much. It's enough to where you could see it, but it's not too much where it would be overpowering that you wouldn't be able to wear it to work. But it's enough to where you'll be able to check it, be able to see it if you decide to go somewhere after work. And as you can see, it picked up well. I didn't have to add a whole lot. It's very pigmented and it has a nice little shine to it. I really, really, really love this color and the way that it turned out. Now, the next girl is Dena C. Y'all, Dena C used the Soft Glam palette for this beautiful look. And if you're not familiar with Dena, you need to get familiar with her. This girl does hauls. If you love hauls like I love hauls, Dena's your girl. And then she does a lot of high-end products too. So if it's some high-end products you've been thinking about, should I pick it up? Make sure you go check her channel out, because 9 times out of 10, the girl done got it. Do you hear me? She does haul videos, she does makeup reviews, and she is so sweet. And she's kind of like my twin, because everything I like, she likes. So her information will definitely be in the description bar below. Make sure you go check her out and show her some love, okay, guys? Now, the next thing I'm doing is going back into Fudge, because like I said, I needed to build that color up, but I kind of lost some of it once I put that gold color on. So I'm just simply going back in and building that Fudge color up in my outer V, because I wanted to, be seen, and I want it to be, a little dark right there. I love that darkness. I don't know, is it just me? But I love a dark outer V. My look never seems to be complete unless I have a dark outer V. And then I'm going to go in with Electric, and I'm just gonna add that because I was just trying to be extra. No particular reason, just being extra. I decided to add that little green. It's like a greenish gold color right on the outer part of that gold, and just to see how it would look. And I actually liked it. Now the next lady is none other than NueNew, the hair diva. Y'all know this is my girl. And NueNew went and she used the Modern Renaissance palette. And she used burnt orange and Bruno Fresco, Primavera, and Love Letter. And guys, that's a beautiful look. She has such a beautiful spirit. I'm telling you, she's always so happy. Make sure you guys are following her on Instagram. She does something on Instagram every morning, just about. And as well as for all the other ladies too. But she does nails, hair, saving your money. She has some of the best empty videos I watch. Her empty videos be on point. And guys, make sure you check her out. Information in the description bar. Now, I'm going to go in with, Rowdy. And it's like a dark, plummy purple. And I put that on the outer V because it just wasn't dark enough for me. And I just wanted to add that in just to build, some deep darkness, like kind of smoky. And then I'm going to go in with Edge because some of that transition color kind of went away. So I'm just adding that back to the look, maintenance work. Now, y'all, it's summers. It's always summers. I'm sorry. Guys, I just recently started following her not too long ago, and she's awesome. Look at this look. This is so pretty. What she did, she used the Royal palette by Bad Habits to dupe the Modern Renaissance palettes. And she used Royal, Monarch, Majesty, Honor, Queen, and Crown are some of the colors that she used to get this look. Look, do you see that look? It is so pretty. Guys, she does makeup videos. She does hauls and unboxings. And she's just a sweetheart. Guys, make sure you definitely go and check her out. If you're not familiar with her, and she does these makeup looks, her eyeshadow looks with these vibrant, beautiful colors. I mean, they are always so pretty. Check her out. Now, the next thing I'm going to do is go in with Dawn. And Dawn is just going to be my brow bone color. And I'm just going to do that. And then, you know, I'm going to go put a little mascara on, a little eyeliner on, just to finish the look. And then go and do my bottom lash line with some colors. And that's the gist of this look, y'all. So here is my final look. All right, y'all. You guys saw those looks these ladies came up with, y'all. I am so impressed with what they did and how well they put these looks together. And then I also want to thank everybody for participating, y'all. It was August, my birthday month, and I wanted as many women as possible to be able to participate in this month's collab. And I'm just so appreciative of you ladies. And I just want to say, y'all know y'all did it again. They did it again. But that is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed these videos. And anybody that wants to participate, it's open to everybody. Anybody that want to participate. So you guys, September is coming up. We need to figure out what look we're going to do for September. So if you have any ideas, make sure you put it in the comment section. And guys, I will have links to all the ladies' channels in the description box. Go to their channel and show them some love. If you're not subscribed to them, just hit that red button. It's free. It ain't gonna hurt them nothing. And show them some love, y'all. Go check them out. And that's it. To all of my new subscribers, I see you and I appreciate you. And if you haven't subscribed yet, girl, hit that button so that I can save you a seat at the Grown Women's Table. And until the next video, bye-bye, ladies.
Lori's Life. If you need some advice or looking for an idea, or just to get some tips, you can get that right here. This is Lori's Life. Yeah, this is Lori's Life. Check out Lori's Life. Yeah, it's Lori's Life.